Three Laws of Motion from Sir Isaac Newton Physics Project by Kaitlin, and Audrey. Newton's first law of motion. If there is no net force acting on an object, then the object is at rest or moving at a constant velocity. In other words, an object at rest remains at rest and an object in motion remains in motion unless acted upon by an outside net force. Before Ellie hits the ball, they are both at rest. When she hits the tennis ball, the applied force of her hand creates an unbalanced net force, so the ball does not remain at rest anymore. The same thing happens with the soccer ball. However, the soccer ball has a greater tendency to remain at rest, inertia, than the tennis ball does, because it has a greater mass. Newton's second law of motion. A equals F net over m. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force and inversely proportional to the mass of an object. Audrey's mass is 44.1 kilograms. The dog Sadie is 46.1 kilograms. This shows the dog's mass is 2 kilograms. Sadie's normal force and gravitational force would be 2 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared. This equals 11.8 newtons. Since Sadie's gravitational force is 11.8 newtons, the normal force of the floor and Audrey pushing it back up on her is also 11.8 newtons. Since all the forces acting on Sadie cancel each other out, there is no outside net force. She remains at rest.
Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, which is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Juggling shows Newton's third law because the magnitude of the force the pins exert on Audrey's hands each time she catches them is equal to the magnitude of her hand pushing back on them, but in the opposite direction. Yeah. Hang on. There you go. Sadie!